it's about time you got here. You wanted the best, we got you the best. I'm the Hurricane. Welcome to Howl at the Moon for the MPI second annual committee fair. We guarantee you a rockin' good time. Come on in. It's quiet right now at Howl at the Moon, but I guarantee you it won't be on July 15th. Are you ready for a rockin' good time? The second annual committee fair, July 15th, 4 to 7 at Howl at the Moon. Best of the 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. MPI invites you to find your inner rock star. Find out what your committees can do for you and how you can get involved for MPI's second annual committee fair. Want to find out how to register? Go to www.GOAMPI.org or look us up on Facebook. I said don't touch that. Is that actually my line? We'll try that one more time because I don't look at notes. Alright. How's that? Good? What was I saying again? Line? Go to www.goampi.com. Or.